One of my subscribers recorded a video of a tornado that somehow spawned on an indoor pool.
It won't break!
No?
Oh. Here, you do it.
This baby gorilla really wants this toy.
Oh, sweet boy. Yeah, I want that.
I know.
Yeah.
This chunky monster of a boy. He's not overeating. I know that. Look at
Kiki, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Silence. I need an egg. Thank you.
So you guys need to leave the property for 24 hours, and if you don't right now, I'm gonna make it 6 months.
Would you kiss me though?
Okay, it's now 6 months.
No,
Leave the property
I can't.
This guy got a tattoo and immediately passed out.
Do you have an iPhone?
Luckily, the artist was able to catch him before he got hurt. She tried to pick up this firefighter. This company was doing some repairs in the attic when this happened.
He's all scared. I see you're scared. Okay, shh. I'm playing with you. Relax.
This dog is an amazing artist. You can see food go down this dog's throat whenever they eat.
Sir, you have a bottle. Your bottle. On your car. No. You got a bottle? Yes. Hey, what?
Thank you.
Hey, where are you going?
I'm gonna show you. I know how to do a cartwheel. There we are.
This dog scream sounded exactly like a human.
Hey!
Turco! You look Turkish.
Come on, Joe. Come on. Smash it, Jojo. Woo! Oh my God.
This guy's truck was being towed away, so he tried to save it by stealing the tow truck that was taking his car.
Hey guys, should we go outside? Psych! You can't go anywhere.
This poor cat was halfway to heaven.
Nella. Girl, stop. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
This truck driver had no idea that he was pushing a car.
Premiäromgång avslutades igår. Degerfors ledde länge, men Öster kvitterade på tilläggstid. Östers David seger om resultat.
Skönt att vi får en poäng till slut.
He did eventually figure it out. This guy broke the AI drive-thru voice, so a human employee had to take over.
What would you like?
55 burgers, 55 fries, 55 tacos, 55 pies, 55 cokes, 100 tater tots, 100 pizzas, 100 tenders, 100 meatballs, 100 coffees, 55 wings, 55 shakes, 55 pancakes, 55 pasta, 55 peppers, and 155 taters.
Can I take you there?
Sorry.
I ain't never in my life seen a donkey and a dog be best friends.
Birthday to you.
Why you keep looking at me, fam?
Blow out your candle.
Damaged.
My car is damaged.
Where?
Right here. If you want to see, you can come on. Why are you hitting my car, lady?
Because it's not damaged. You. Would you tell her to get away from me? She's crazy.
How many rocks? 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Oh, Athena.
This dog has a perfect smile. This guy found a tactical way to escape from the police. This poor dog fell for a fake hand prank. A meteorologist in North Dakota was trying to burn ice off his driveway when he accidentally made a fire tornado.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
I think this guy invented his own physics.
Cows go boo, sheep go baa, and you go.
The turbulence while flying over South America was so bad that someone ended up in the ceiling of the plane.
Señora, tapado ahí, por favor.
The amazing thing is that he wasn't hurt. British humor is really something else.
He's doing it all.
Mate, what's your secret, mate?
Now, who decided to put an air cannon there?